You have granted me life and favor, and your care has preserved my spirit. I love this. I love this completely. You see how these words are very nice. It's like poetry. You have kept me. You have preserved me. Your favor has been on my life. It's like even what we see Psalms also doing. And kama usanii bana. I really like these words. Hebu tuendelee. And these things that you have, now this is the verse I was talking about. And these things that you have hidden in your heart, I know that this was you. Mpaka Job naambia God, yani God mazee, umeniprotect, umeniweka fiti, lakini kumbe time yote tu ndio ulikuwa unapanga hapa. You see? And then this also shows you, even as I read this story, this thing also shows you as a human being that hakuna human being mwenye ni mjanja kuliko Mungu. If you've ever felt weak, all these people you see all these people in the Bible, kina David, kina Job, all of them, they look like legends to those young believers and those of us who are in this century and living life literally, those who are in the constant nini of sin, the constant sight of sin. Unajua sin ndio enemy yetu hapa. We live in fear, we live in doubt, we live in unbelief, we live in all these things that separate us from God. Now you see, there are men who used to be with God, and you see even them bado analia. What does this tell you? Like, it is not strange that you will feel all this doubt. It is not strange that you will feel all this like haiko ama like, he's punishing me more than I deserve. Apana. Even these men felt the same thing. But you see, they still go back to God. You see what God is trying to teach you here? That hata kwa mabaya, bado tu ni mimi niko na wewe. Tuendelee. If I sin, then you mark me, and you will acquit me over my iniquity. If I am wicked, woe to me. Imagine mpaka anasema hivyo. You see now where now the point of if you are wicked or righteous, there's no difference. You see even yeye is a righteous man, but he's like, if I am wicked, woe to me. Which means that hata yeye mwenyewe is helpless to his wickedness. You see? That is why when I say for sure that this thing of the Holy Spirit leading you, getting salvation, it is not by your own works. That is why no human being can save themselves. Only the work of God. Yeye mwenyewe afanye his work through you, through the power of the Holy